All right, this lesson is going to have 3 songs in it. It's going to have Beast of Burden and Miss You by the Rolling Stones, and it's going to have In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry. That was by request from Vincent. Thanks again, Vincent. Okay, so we're going to start with Miss You. It has this riff. Okay, so we have 5-7 on the D, and then 7-5 on the G. So we got, and then 7-5-7 on the D. So it comes in on the 4. It's like 4 and 1 and 2-da-doo, 4 and 1 and 2-da-doo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that last part is 5-7 on the D, 5 on the G, back to 7 on the D. So remember on the 4 we come in, so 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, so the other guitar while that's going on is going like. That's just an A minor, 7-5-5-5, and all we're going to do is we're going to bring in this 6th fret of the 2nd string. That's going to make a D minor 7. So we have like A minor to D minor 7. So our strum is like do 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 down 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 down. So it's like down down up up down 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 up up down down. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. So I'm going. Okay, so let's try that riff. Da, da, dee, da, da. So 1, 2, 3. So yeah, you can throw the chord in there with the riff. Now we're gonna have a bridge here. F, E minor, D minor. Do it again, F, E minor, D minor, and then hits on the E7. Okay, so that's 2, 1, 3, open. So once again, this bridge, 3, 4, F, E minor, and I'm going dum, dum, da, da, dum, 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 D minor. We'll do that again. D minor, hits on the E7. Come home, come home. So there's one more little riff for you. 7-5-7 on the G, 7 on the D. And you could use your A minor. You could have a lot of fun in that little solo section there, playing with your A minor pentatonic scale. So that's 5-7-5-7-5-8, 5-8. You can move up in the 10, 10-8, 10-8. 9 goes down to the 7. So try that. Try a little soloing with your with the tune there. Jam along with the tune. There's only a couple parts. Pretty easy, pretty fun. Okay, so moving on to Beast of Burden. Okay, so we have 2 riffs basically in this tune. We have 8 and 7. 8 on the G string, 7 on the B. And this is interesting. We're trying to double hammer into these 9s. Now when we come out of that chord, we want to come up into this chord that is 9, 9, 7, 7. And then we want to come up to this minor chord, 11, 9, 9. So we have the hammer, dum, dum, dum. We jump up to that one. That's a sus chord. So we got 3, 4. And that one there is 9 to 11 on the D, and then a 9 and a 10 down here. 9 on the G, 10 on the B. Okay, so that's that main part. Then we're gonna have A, E, A, E, and then B major. A, E, A, E, and B. Okay, Beast of Burden. Now we're going to have Mungo Jerry's In the Summertime. This was a request by Vincent. Here you go, Vincent. Okay, so basically we have opening 2 on the B, and then we're gonna hit the big 2 like an E major chord, but we're gonna hit that bass note with that little note. So we got O2, kind of a little strum there. And what we have here is 2, O, 2, O on the second string, and then O, 1 on the G, back to that 2. So we got. And then all we do here is we come to the A shape. We're going to use like the pinky on this little string, 7th fret, or the 2nd string. Back. And then the same type of thing on the 7th. And he always mixed it up. There's a lesson of actually Mungo Jerry teaching you how to play this tune on YouTube. Go check that one out too. It's very interesting to hear from the artist himself how he just kind of mixed things up. He never went for anything particular. He just had a roundabout way of doing it. And he talks about how it was one of the first tunes that had a beatbox because it was him making sounds with his mouth. So anyway, kind of interesting. So as long as you can hit those 2 together, get the... And then 5th fret, mix it up, 7th fret, 5th, okay, Mungo Jerry In the Summertime. Let's take a review of the Miss You. We got and over that we have these chords. Bridge F, E minor, D minor. Let's do it again. Hits on the E7. Okay, and Beast of Burden was A to E. Do that again. And we got a B. Okay, and then In the Summertime. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, y'all. We'll see y'all soon.